Thank you for your interest in the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint. Our LinkedIn strategy will help you become an authority on LinkedIn in your industry. Let's review some quick facts about LinkedIn. First of all, Microsoft's largest acquisition to date was LinkedIn. In 2016, they paid $26.2 billion from LinkedIn. And the reason they did that is because 80% of B2B marketing leads sourced through social media actually come from LinkedIn. As a matter of fact, LinkedIn has over 500 million members, and they have 40 million decision makers using it. It's the most used social media platform for Fortune 500 companies. So you know if you've made the right decision to use LinkedIn. And now the question is, how do you take LinkedIn to the next level? Because the average CEO has 930 LinkedIn connections, and many of them are people that you know, you like, and you trust. And LinkedIn used to get most of its revenue from recruitment, and now since Microsoft purchased them, they're doing a lot of content marketing, and they want to increase their ad revenue. So this is a great time for you to get involved and engaged on LinkedIn. And if relationships are important to your business, then LinkedIn has to be a crucial part of your marketing. So now the question is, how engaged are you on LinkedIn? And most people are not engaged because they don't have a plan. So we created a plan called the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint, which will help you go from a lurker to an influencer on LinkedIn in 3 easy steps. The first step is strategy, the second is assets, and the third step is promotion. So when we're doing this together, if you hire us to do the LinkedIn Authority Blueprint for you, we start off with a questionnaire. We send you questions about your goals, about your target market, about your messaging, so you can get really clear about what you need to be writing about on LinkedIn, what we need to be posting about on LinkedIn. Once we have that questionnaire completed, which will probably take you an hour to 2 hours, we set up a 90-minute marketing strategy session that is virtual, and it's all recorded online through video over the phone, and we go over your business goals and we tie them back to some marketing goals to determine your real ROI. We identify the right target market so that when we're creating content and coming up with ideas, we're doing it talking to the right people, and then messaging that includes your value proposition to that target market based on their needs, their desires, their dreams, their problems, their pains, their fears. People are emotional, and we want to be able to speak to them so that they take action. Then we do a content marketing brainstorm to identify key content pieces that will help you be relevant on LinkedIn. Once we have this mapped out, we take 2 weeks to create a content calendar. It's a 13-week content calendar that's an organized, strategic, 3-month calendar that guides the promotion of your content. So some content will be inspirational content, others will help you build trust, others will inform, engage, feature, inspire, and so on and so forth, and we do that week by week. After that, we create an asset library with all your content pieces in one place so you know exactly where to go to be able to promote this and publish this. Finally, we give you tips about how to optimize your profile in a very easy way. We give you a connections dashboard, which will show you every single connection that you have on LinkedIn and who's important to your business and who's not important to your business and how you can leverage them. And then we finish this off after 2 weeks with a strategy session, a review call. We review your dashboard, review your optimized profile, your content calendar, and at this point, we can start promoting for you. We can start creating content, information, and start promoting on strategy. So if this is something that you're interested in and you want to get started, feel free to reach out to us. Go to ajaxunion.com and reach out to us. Here's some more information about our capabilities. We've done really great work with over 1,100 companies, and now we're really going deep into B2B marketing. So we do everything from funnel development, where we help you create your top of the funnel marketing. We redesign B2B companies. We create case studies for companies. We help companies be able to acquire many more leads based on helping them be able to have more effectiveness with their marketing. So here's an example. MakerBot came to us and they said, we have poor optimization on pay-per-click. We help them be able to take their pay-per-click to the next level by creating lead magnets, by creating the right graphics, by creating the right message to the right audience, and their business blew up as a result. We have a 3-step process of everything that we do. So when it comes to our execution, we're doing strategy, then we create some technologies that allow you to be able to take your business to the next level. And after that, we get into tactics like SEO, SEM, social, all that type of stuff. So we have amazing solutions, which include lead generation, recruiting, sales enablement, business development, ROI tracking, reputation management, anything that you could use marketing for to help you grow your business. So if you're looking to take your business to the next level, We have a very specific process that we take you through. Our amazing clients say amazing things about us. Hopefully, you can learn more about our products and our services on our website. Go to ajaxunion.com. Stay in touch with us. Learn about our core values. And let's get this party started. Thank you so much for joining me here today.